Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about installing WordPress from your cPanel control panel. To start with the WordPress installation, you need a web hosting plan and a domain name. For this video, I'm going to be using a basic web hosting plan since it's only a presentation video, so I don't need a higher plan. And we have to register our domain name for our web hosting plan where our WordPress installation will be sitting. With the Lite, Pro and Premium plan, we offer a free domain name registration or free transfer. I do have already a domain name, so I will be using that one for this video. On the next page, you can select your billing cycle, which we're offering 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. And the next page, it's basically the checkout page. You can enter a coupon code if we have any coupon codes. If you're an existing customer, you can log in with your email and password. And if you're a new customer, you're gonna have to create a new account. For this video, I'm using a demo web hosting account, so I don't need to create a new one. I will clear this out and I'm going to log in to my client area. This is our dashboard where we can manage our services, domain names, invoices, and tickets. In order to access your services, navigate to a services menu and My Services. If you have more than one web hosting plan, you will see them listed here like I do, and just click on the web hosting plan that you want to access. Like in my case, I have basic, and click on login to cPanel to access your cPanel. From your cPanel control panel, you can manage your email accounts, backups, files, databases, domain names. To install WordPress, scroll down to WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and on this page we will see our current WordPress installations, which I don't have any. So to install a new one, just click on Install. Make sure you are installing your WordPress with the correct domain name. If you have more than one domain name, just make sure you're selecting the correct one. You don't want to overwrite any existing WordPress installation. And select your latest WordPress version. On the next section, enter your admin username and admin password. Just use a strong admin password if your website is live, so it's better for security reasons, and click on Install. Okay, so our WordPress is installed, and if you click on the domain name on the link, you can confirm that. And if you click on the second link, you can access your WordPress admin dashboard. So pretty much that's all what you need to start your website with the WordPress. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments.